These are, means a faculty and student startup Roborova, whereby the faculties and students, they work together on certain projects. Faculties, means majorly do the mentorship and they just guide them that this is, means how you should do. And these are some of the projects which are patented also and which are in the process of getting the grants from the ministry.
So we will just start with this smart siren. So just imagine करो कि हमें हॉस्पिटल जाना है बट हमारी गाड़ी एम्बुलेंस नहीं है. अगर एम्बुलेंस को बुला दे 30 मिनट्स तो सिर्फ एम्बुलेंस को यूज करने की जरूरत है क्योंकि ये लाइव सिचुएशन थी जो मैंने की थी. हमने एक सायरन बनाया है जिसको लीगल किया IoT के साथ. जब हम उसको रिक्वेस्ट करेंगे तो पुलिस ही उसको एक्टिवेट कर सकती है, वही डीएक्टिवेट कर सकती है. मान लो अब जैसे पर्सन ने रिक्वेस्ट कर दी तो मेरे यहाँ पे रिक्वेस्ट आ जाएगी, है ना, मेरे पे रिक्वेस्ट आ गई कि प्लीज सायरन को एक्टिवेट करो या पर्सन वीडियो कॉल करेगा. अब जैसे अगर मैं सायरन को चलाऊंगा तो सायरन नहीं चलेगा क्योंकि पुलिस ने एक्टिवेट नहीं किया. तो जैसे ही पुलिस ने एक्टिवेट कर दिया तो सायरन एक्टिवेट हो जाएगा. अब इसका भी था कि हाँ पर्सन इसको बाईपास करेंगे. बाईपास के लिए एक वायर है, अगर इसका जैसे हमने तो ओपन किया हुआ है, जैसे आप इसको ओपन करोगे एक वायर डिस्कनेक्ट होगी, उनको मैसेज आ जाएगा कि किसी ने इसको ओपन किया है, उसको परमानेंटली क्लोज कर दो. तो हमने क्या किया था, हर गाड़ी पे एक टैग्स दिए कि आप कभी भी इसको वेरीफाई कर सकते हो कि ये सायरन रियल है कि फेक है. और हमने ग्राउंड पुलिस के साथ ये स्टार्ट भी किया था. 5 वो बनाए थे प्रोटोटाइप्स की स्टार्ट करें बट ड्यू टू मतलब ट्रांसफर्स होती थी कोविड के ड्यूरिंग, तो वो भी
So this we are closely working with the police authorities. Okay. And means DCPs, DGPs, they
are ready to separate.
एंड हर गाड़ी में होगा. पर स्टार्टिंग हमने ये की थी जैसे कॉलोनीज होती हैं या उनके जो हेड्स होते हैं, जो सरपंच होते हैं,
I mean to say who is the ambulance and who actually requires them.
तो वही बता दूँ.
एम्बुलेंस
नहीं. हर कॉलोनी में जो हेड्स होता है उनकी गाड़ी में पहले प्रोवाइड करेंगे, रेदर देन इंडिविजुअल गाड़ी में प्रोवाइड करेंगे, chaos हो जाएगा. बट अगर हेड एक हर मोहल्ले में एक गाड़ी में अगर ये लगा तो एम्बुलेंस की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी.
This was basically means ideated when we saw that because of the traffic congestion many lives are lost. Ambulance they get an easy pass through कि वो चले जाते हैं because of the sirens. But normal people they cannot use sirens on their vehicles. That's why this idea was popped out, and we connected with the police authorities. They also liked the idea, but there were many challenges attached. So it means slowly and steadily we means met those challenges. We had multiple round of discussions at the DC office also, and the CP office also, and some of the police officials they came down over here. They gave their viewpoints, and then accordingly they
have changed everything. So now that this is feasible, and
this is patented also.
Yeah, it can be implemented in any car, existing also and new car also.
We are now looking for the
With the permission of police authorities.
Yes.
So they have to activate or deactivate the siren. We can't do anything.
These projects are means now in the line of commercialization. So we are approaching the industries and we are approaching means the other stakeholders out there that they can help us in
So the
commercialization.
use is only emergency.
Emergency
In case of emergency.
If you want to rush to hospital. And
What is the cost and model?
the cost is near about 1,500. But if it's installed within the car, because siren is already there,
Yeah.
so it will be like 500.
So right now means what is happening, like this is a bigger version. Now the team is working on to means reduce the size and make it a smaller compact version also, which could be easily integrated.
So if you talk about the second one, so this is like a smart COVID pen. We worked with ICMR during COVID. So I saw that a lot of nurses and doctors, they are touching their face during COVID. So I just gave them one problem, that this is a problem. So can we make something that when you touch your face, so it will give you the vibration like you are touching. So this is a small just band. The good thing about that, there is an algorithm which can be installed into your smartwatch also, because the function, the hardware like gyro is already there in your watch. So when you touch your face, it used to vibrate. So it will tell you that you are touching your face. So it's connected with IoT also. The doctor will see that this nurse is touching its face like 100 times a day. So this is like a psychological training works. So we worked with ICMR, we filed the patent, but now we are just looking for the commercialization. And again, we have a smart strap. Again, this is a patent. We already got the patent for this. This is very unique idea. Like when you wear your mask, like you are wearing your mask. This is a strap that you can put it. So when you are wearing mask, it will not vibrate. But when you are not wearing, it will give you the vibration that you are not wearing the mask properly. And these are the projects which we are going to implement in the university. So this project is related to RFI attendance system. So that this can be installed in different buses also and different places. So basically your ID card will be RFID and you can do it. So we have done everything here, even the 3D printing, because this case is 3D printed.
Okay, you have
So,
3D printed
yes,
also
yes,
project.
Yes.
I'll show you the labs.
We designed the case, prototype, and all the what we call the hardware is installed here. So we have not bought anything from outside. And this one is as automation. Basically, this is directly linked with the ERP, and according to the timetable, it will shut down the lights of the rooms. So there is no need to just shut down manually. So it's automatically you can turn it
The
on.
prototype is already installed in the ground floor where we came down. The motion sensors was installed.
And this one is also developed during COVID. So this is a smart sanitizing mat. So we got the grant for the design. So basically, we saw that there's a tub outside the shops. You have to sanitize your feet. But this will first you have to stand here. So it will detect the presence of the sanitizer here inside. It will automatically pump the sanitizer and it will beep again after 3 seconds. Yeah, your shoes are sanitized. So rather than just wasting the sanitizer and the shoes, so we are just use the automation in it.